Hey guys, welcome to digit.in, and we've just received our shipment of the Sony 24-70 f4 lens. Now there's a little bit of confusion within the industry. Actually, it's not confusion, but some call this the Sony Zeiss 24-70, some call it the Zeiss 24-70, some call it the Sony 24-70. Bottom line is, the best way to identify this lens is it's a 24-70mm lens with the constant aperture of f4, and it's made by Zeiss. Yes, it is actually made by Zeiss. So let's just quickly go and unbox it, and I will prove my point to you. And in that time as well, we are going to see what all is included in the box. So first off, of course, you've got the warranty information. This is 2 years of warranty on the lens. It's pretty cool that as camera manufacturers have started offering 2 years of warranty for their camera bodies, they also apply the same to the lenses. So that's amazing. There's also a host of other paperwork here. Instructions about the lens, its nature, its how to use it, I guess. Operating manuals is what it says in many languages, including English. None of these manuals actually have instructions on how to be more skillful with the lens, so don't look forward to that. And this here, generously bubble wrapped, is the Sony 24-70 f4. Now there is also a nice leather pouch that you get with this lens, which is awesome, because in case you're way too paranoid, you could always use this case before putting the lens in your bag. The hood is packaged separately. And this is the lens. This is the Sony 24-70 f4. It's actually the Zeiss lens because it has the Zeiss branding on it, which is actually what you're going to see anytime you see somebody using this lens. There's the Zeiss branding that stands out, and then there's Sony branding on the other side, which is not as prominent if you ask me. Now, the choice of this lens, why did we choose this lens? The way we want to shoot is we want to mount our cameras on a gimbal, or we want to have it be as portable as possible. And the 24-70, while offering an extremely versatile focal length, is also extremely light. Now the 24-70 G Master, on the other hand, is a very heavy lens that comes in at about 800 to 850 grams. This is much lighter. It has 12 lenses arranged in 11 groups for basically making sure that as you focus from the 24 to the 70mm range, your aperture is constant at f4, super compact, uses a 67mm filter on the front, fairly common nowadays, and has an E-mount which is compatible with Sony's mirrorless cameras, whether they're full frame or whether they're the APS-C type. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is a quick unboxing of the Sony 24-70mm f4 lens, and in case you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching.